Hey, good day. It's Jake Evers with Century 21. Today we're down in West Brant and we're at an awesome new listing that's hitting the market. It's a popular East Forest build and I really hope you enjoy the tour. Come on, let's go have a look. Welcome to 43 Nightingale. With about 2,400 square feet of living space, this multi-level two-story home has been extremely well cared for and is only about a year and a half old. A dramatic entrance with super high ceilings. Open concept eat-in kitchen. A master retreat with its own private ensuite and cathedral ceilings. Three-bed sleeping quarters, all close to each other. And two separate finished basement areas that are absolutely huge. This one is sure to please. Don't miss out. I'm Jake Evers, and thank you for watching.